Welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be filming a lock count video because it's been almost 2 months since I had my locks and I have not counted them yet. So I'm going to be doing that today. So all I need are scrunchies, and then I have my notes to keep count so that I won't forget how many is in each section as I go along. So I'm just going to start off by putting them into 4 sections. I'm going to start with this section first, and I'm just going to go around. So it's okay. 2. Okay, so this section has 63 locks. Okay, so now I'm going to start with this section here. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this section right here has 73 locks. And I'm going to do the back. 1, we have 63 plus 73 plus 66 plus 58. So now we're going to add all of those numbers together and see how many locks I have in total. I have 63 plus 73 plus 66 plus 58. So I have 260 locks on my head. 200 is that a, was it 260 even? Oh.
So you symmetrical?
I'm symmetrical. But I have 260 locks on top of my head. So I'm just gonna give you guys a visual of what 260 locks looks like on my head.